We've all scrubbed a bin, but no matter how often we clean it, whether it's 1 or 100 times, the outcome stays the same. It quickly gets dirty, and the smell is back to hit you in the face. Because when your nasty waste is tossed in with regular trash, it gets crushed, releasing the rotting waste and garbage juice that leaks out and spreads all over your bin. When hard work fails, you need a smarter fix. And that's exactly what BagEZ trash bag holders provide. All you have to do is clip on a trash bag to the frame and hang it in your bin. It creates a pocket that confines and separates the nasty stuff you throw in, like dirty diapers, pet poop, and food waste, and stops it from getting out and spreading all over, while you use the large opening to toss in your already bagged household waste and clean dry trash like boxes, just like you normally do. It's simply that easy. To release the bag, all you have to do is pull off the clips and then seal it to lock everything nasty inside. Remove and put your BagEZ holder away before placing your bin at the curb for the garbage truck to empty it. How easy is that? It's time to stop wasting time washing a bin that refuses to stay clean and say hello to a smarter way to maintain a spotless trash can. Get your BagEZ today and experience the difference, because you deserve a clean bin without the work.